Hi guys, it's Deepshika here, and in today's video I'm going to show you my favorite face wash, and that's what I'm currently using. There are lots of face wash in the market and we always got confused what to choose, what's not, and what's going to suit to our skin type. So trust me on this, the face wash that I'm going to show you will gonna suit you. This is the face wash that I'm currently using. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Cleansing Gel. The hero ingredient is hyaluronic acid, and this face wash is dermatologically tested. If you are a dry skin person like me, this face wash going to be your holy grail product. Hyaluronic acid going to provide you hydration. If you haven't tried any active ingredient product before, you can start with this one. This is not going to irritate your skin. This is very beginners friendly and very good product. Let's start with the packaging of this product. This product comes with this very beautiful purple color packaging. This is how the product looks like. This has no color. This is totally transparent. This is what the texture looks like. Texture on this is very creamy as well as very lightweight. Here I am showing you the application of the product. This face wash not only cleans your skin, but at the same time it will hydrate your skin. This leaves your skin smooth and plumpy. You can use this product 2 times a day. This product comes with 2 different sizes, 50 ml product and 100 ml product. 50 ml product retails for 175 rupees and 100 ml product retails for 315 rupees. I have been using this product from past 3 months and this is my second purchase. This is all for today and I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell icon.